understand RAG systems for the benefit of those who may not know what it is all about. So RAG systems are basically a very nice way in which you can infuse your custom enterprise data, give it to a large language model to augment its knowledge base so that it can give you more contextual answers to your questions. And you don't need to do this by doing fine-tuning or training the large language model. And that's why it has become very popular. Now, what's the workflow of a RAG system? Let's quickly walk through it. There are two major steps. The first step is preparing your data and indexing your data. For that, you need to load up your enterprise data. If you have PDFs, Word documents, and so on, you use relevant data loaders. And then you split the documents into relevant chunks. Now, chunks could be a page, it could be a few paragraphs. That's something we often play around with, which is the chunk size. Then we use an embedding model to convert the chunks into embedding vectors. And we store the chunks and the vectors into a vector database. And that kind of concludes the first step, which is the data indexing step. Next step is the search and generation, response generation step, where a user asks a question. The question goes to the vector database. Based on embedding similarity, similar document chunks are retrieved, and then the question and the document chunks are sent to a large language model using a prompt saying that, hey, given this contextual documents, answer the given question, and then the LLM generates an answer based on the context document. So that's what a RAG system is all about.